back, juked out in that all black. Move 5'2" on a snapback, cause I move that, son, I own that. That's empire, that's building up. Got a lot, but can't get enough. Hot dog and I'm catching up. Y'all better start on resting up. We the ones, so we do to us. You a liability, bitches kill me. You were blind to it, now you feel me. That's braille, that's real. Doing bigger numbers than your major deal. You still thinking you a major deal? Took a dream, then I took it overseas. And y'all even playing in the field? From 307, homie. Y'all ain't even get it, homie. They ain't done this like this where I'm from. Went home, I seen rappers coming up. Look at what we did.
What's going on, guys? We got the unboxing of the XXR 526s for the Honda build. So we'll do a quick unboxing, show you one of them, then we'll get the rest of them all set up. See that? So as you can see, 18 by 10 and a half. It should be plus 22 offset. So it should be good. Got the wheel, got the cap over top. So here's the wheel. Oh, so that's what it looks like. Got the deep dish, of course. Got the center cap. Like that. Get that up for a second. So there's the first one. Get the center cap out so I can show you that quick. Okay, so as you can see, it kind of changes colors as you move it around. You get a closer look at like the deep dish. They're quite deep, so we'll get the rest of these unboxed for you and then we'll come back. Alright, so here are all four of them unboxed. Now again, they're the XXR 526s chromium black, 18 by 10 and a half, plus 20 offset. So we'll probably get one of these mounted up to make sure everything fits. This bore hole kind of looks a little small, so it's a little concerning. Or not bore hole, you know what I mean, where your thing goes through. Looks kind of small, but I think it should fit because I think the other one is pretty small on my car anyways. But yeah, guys, that's the unboxing of these. Hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button if you liked it and subscribe. You mind?